Okay, let's do a tractability test of the CB350. First gear, second gear. Now I'll remove my hand. 20 kilometers per hour, no protest at all. And of course you would not ride like this, but you should know the lowest speeds it can do in each gear without lugging the engine. So that's what, somewhere around 15 kilometers per hour. So 15 kilometers per hour in second gear, and you can pull it up. In fact, over the speed breakers you can actually slip the clutch a bit and you can pull it even from like 7-8 kilometers per hour in second gear, though I would recommend against it. Put it in first and then go over the speed breaker. I mean, like, while going over the speed breaker, put it in first. The engine would be happier. Look, ma, no hands. Yeah, because there is a slight protest. Even at 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, let me show you. So now there is a slight protest. There is a slight protest. From 20 kilometers per hour, there is no protest whatsoever. Let's check third gear. Third gear should be good for 30 kilometers per hour, I believe. Protest, 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 yes, protest, protest. 28 kilometers per hour is good in third gear. Yeah, 28 kilometers per hour. Let's round it off to 30. 20 kilometers in second gear, 30 kilometers in third gear. Yeah, from 30 onwards is absolutely smooth in third gear. Let's try fourth. Fourth should be good for 40 kilometers per hour. Fifth I know is good for 60. Anything below that and it protests. So protest at 38, protest at 38. From 40 kilometers per hour it's good. Even at 39 it protests. See, protest, and the moment the needle will come at 40, it smoothens out. Let me bring it down to 40, and now. Okay, there is a slight protest at 40 as well. So let's see the absolute smooth lowest speed. 40, protest, 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 protest. 43 kilometers per hour it would be. No, actually 50 kilometers per hour. Slightly less than 50, but yeah, let's round it off to 50. 45 kilometers per hour in fourth gear is good. And the good part is that the fourth gear will take you past 120. So that's 50 kilometers per hour in fourth. That's 45. Okay, 45 is smooth. Let's try 40 once again. Protest, protest, protest. 45 kilometers per hour is good. Okay. 45 kilometers per hour is smooth. Anything below that in fourth gear and you will be lugging the engine, which you should not be doing.